Mental health refers to cognitive behavior and emotional well being. It is all about how people think, feel, and behave. People sometimes use the term mental health to mean the absence of mental disorder. Mental health can affect daily living, relationships, and physical health. However, this link also work in other directions. Factors, people, lives, interpersonal connection, and physical factors can all contribute to mental health distribution. Looking after mental health can preserve a person's ability to enjoy life. Doing this involves reaching a balance between life activity, responsibility, and efforts to achieve psychological resilience. Conditions such as stress, depression, and anxiety can all affect mental health and disrepute personal routine. Although the term mental health is in common use, many conditions that doctors recognize as psychological disorder have physical roots. In this article we explain what people mean by mental health and mental illness. Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes her own abilities, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively, and is able to make contributor to his or her community. The WHO stressed that mental health is more than just the absence of mental disorder or disabilities. Peak mental health is about not only avoiding active condition but also looking after ongoing wellness and happiness. They also emphasize that preserving and restoring mental health is critical on an individual basis and as well as throughout different communities and societies over the world. In the United States, the National Alliance on Mental Illness estimates almost 1 in 5 adults experience mental health problems each year. Everyone has some risk of developing a mental health disorder, no matter their age, sex, income, or ethnicity. In the USA and much of the developed world, mental disorders are one of the leading causes of disability. Social and financial circumstances, biological factors, and lifestyle choice can shape a personal mental health. A large proportion of people with a mental health disorder have more than one condition at a time. It is important to note that good mental health depends on a delicate balance of factors and that several elements of life and the world at a large can work together to contribute to disorders. The following factors may contribute mental health disputes. Having limited financial means or belonging to marginalization or presenting ethnic group can increase the risk of mental health disorder. The research also explained the difference in the availability and quality of mental health treatment of certain groups in terms of modifiable factors which can change over time and non-modifiable factors which are permanent. Modifiable factors for mental health disorder include socio-economic conditions such whether work is available in the local area, occupation, a personal level of social involvement, education, housing quality. Non-modified factors include gender, age, ethnicity. The study lists gender as both modifiable and modifiable factors. The research found that being female increased the risk of low mental health status by 3.69 times. People with a weak economic status also scored highest of the mental health condition this study. However, many other factors contribute to the development of these disorder. Having a gene with links to the mental health disorder such as depression or does not guarantee that a condition will develop. Likewise, people without related genes or a family history of mental illness can still have a mental health issue. Mental health conditions such as stress, depression, and anxiety may develop due to the underlying life-changing physical health problems such as cancer, diabetes, and chronic pain. People with these conditions have severe fear or anxiety which relates to certain objects or situation. Most people with an anxiety disorder will try to avoid exposure to whatever to triggers their anxiety.